This video includes some of the most notable car company owners. Number 1 is André Citroën. André Gustave Citroën was a French industrialist and the founder of French automaker Citroën. He is also remembered for his application of double helical gears. Bruce Leslie McLaren was a New Zealand racing car designer, driver, engineer, and inventor. His name lives on in the McLaren team, which he founded, and is the second most successful in Formula One championship history. McLaren cars dominated Can-Am sports car racing with 56 wins, a considerable number of them with him behind the wheel, between 1967 and 1972. Wilhelm Maybach was an early German engine designer and industrialist. During the 1890s he was hailed in France, then the world center for car production, as the king of designers. From around 1936 Maybach Motorenbau designed and made almost all the engines fitted in German tanks and half-tracks used during World War II. Charles Stuart Rolls was a British motoring and aviation pioneer. Sir Frederick Henry Royce, 1st Baronet, was an English engineer famous for his designs of car and aeroplane engines with a reputation for reliability and longevity. He founded Rolls-Royce. With Henry Royce, Charles co-founded the Rolls-Royce car manufacturing company. He was the first Briton to be killed in an aeronautical accident with a powered aircraft, when the tail of his Wright Flyer broke off during a flying display in Bournemouth. He was aged 32. Rolls-Royce initially focused on large 40-50 horsepower motor cars, the Silver Ghost and its successors. Royce produced his first aero engine shortly after the outbreak of the First World War, and aircraft engines became Rolls-Royce's principal product. Enzo Anselmo Giuseppe Maria Ferrari was an Italian motor racing driver and entrepreneur, the founder of the Scuderia Ferrari Grand Prix motor racing team, and subsequently of the Ferrari automobile marque. He was widely known as Il Commendatore or El Drake. Christian Erland Harald von Koenigsegg is a Swedish automotive engineer and entrepreneur. He is a descendant of the house and lineage of the Koenigsegg, a noble family from Germany. He is the founder and CEO of the Swedish high-performance automobile manufacturer Koenigsegg Automotive. Kiichiro Toyota was a Japanese businessman and the son of Toyota Loom Works founder Sakichi Toyota. His decision to change Toyota's focus from automatic loom manufacture into automobile manufacturing created what later became Toyota Motor Corporation. Michio Suzuki was a Japanese businessman and inventor, known primarily for founding the Suzuki Motor Corporation, as well as several innovations in the design of looms. Ettore Arco Isidoro Bugatti was an Italian-born French automobile designer and manufacturer. He received French citizenship in 1946. He is remembered as the founder and proprietor of the automobile manufacturing company Automobiles Bugatti, which he founded in 1909.